I joined Ógra to meet lots of new people and just have the crack.
I joined Ógra to debate issues that matter to me.
I joined Ógra
to be part of one
big
team.
I joined Ógra to develop policies that are important to young people.
To learn from our history and build our future.
To take skills with me into my professional life.
Because I wanted to be a part of building a better future for everyone on this island.
Ógra represents the young people of Ireland.
It is a very inclusive political party.
And I've actually made some of the best friends that I've ever had.
Ógra is acting on issues that matter now.
Ógra are leaders.
Ógra are leaders.
Ógra are leaders.
Ógra Fianna Fáil.
Future thinking.
Now.
Ógra Fianna Fáil, future thinking now. Join thousands of people across this country, become a member of a proactive, progressive Republican party.